the Worx SD semi-automatic screwdriver. This handy little problem solver is 12 tools in one, so you'll always have the one you need. From tightening drawer handles, to assembling furniture, from changing batteries on toys, to putting together that backyard grill. The Worx SD makes changing bits as easy as this. No fumbling, no lost bits. The Worx SD comes with 2 rapid reload cartridges and 12 bits. The Worx SD uses any standard 1-inch bit, so cartridges can be customized with exactly the bits you need for the job you're doing. It will be ready and waiting to tackle that next job.
Introducing the Wagner FLEXiO 2000, a paint sprayer that makes it faster and easier for you to fill your life with the colors you love. This handheld sprayer can handle most painting or staining projects, indoors or out. It comes with the innovative eye spray nozzle and 2 paint power settings, high and low. The high is great for painting. The low is perfect for applying stain. Both settings provide a consistent finish and fast coverage on projects large and small. With less overspray and increased control, it's easier than ever to spray indoors. The X-Boost turbine has the power to spray all paints and stains directly from the can. Plus, it's 8 times faster than painting with a brush. Speaking of fast, with just a few parts to rinse off, the cleanup takes only 5 minutes. Get a weekend's worth of work done with time to spare. Then sit back, relax, and enjoy your handiwork. Add the FLEXiO 2000 to your DIY tool collection and spray your world with color. FLEXiO, a faster way to a better finish.
3mm micro tool set. This set features 5 micro tools, comfortable, ergonomically designed ash handles, and high carbon steel blades. All made in the USA. Our micro tools are perfect for miniatures and detailing. They also clean up ridges created by gouge cuts and refine tight corners. Perfect for carving fine details like mouths and eyes and adding fur and feather texture.
Woodpecker's new Woodworkers Edge Rule eliminates these issues by wrapping around the edge of your stock with an accurate scale on both sides. The short side of the tool is just 3/8 of an inch wide, leaving room to mark stock as thin as 7/16, while the long side reaches 3/4 of an inch across the face of your piece. Whether you're working on the edge or the face, the corner of the edge rule always keeps you properly aligned. Use the Woodworkers Edge Rule to measure from inside corners by keeping your scale square to your stock and starting flush at the edge. Mark the edge and face at the same dimension by placing the desired dimension at the end of your board. Find the center of 3/4 inch nominal stock by scribing a line from both sides. Plus, use the edge rule for midfield measurements. Both edges are beveled, placing the scale right next to your work, simplifying marking and minimizing parallax error. Available in handy 6, 12, 24, and 36-inch lengths, all of your project sizes are covered. The Woodworkers Edge Rule from Woodpeckers. Precision made in the USA.
You're an expert in your trade, a master of your craft, an all-around pro. You get the job done, and you can trust OLFA X-Design utility knives to be the go-to cutting tool that works as hard as you do. We've preloaded our 18mm pro quality knives with ultra-sharp black snap-off blades to give you 4 times more fresh cutting edges per blade than a traditional utility knife. If you don't know OLFA, we know what you're thinking. Snap? Yes, this is Snap. Safe, durable, revolutionary Japanese snap. OLFA is snap like you've never seen it. The X-Design series is packed with features. The best knife for tough jobs and everyday cuts. And swapping blades shouldn't cut into your time, so our tool-free blade change using either ratchet wheel or auto-lock technology gets you back to work faster. You can even reload with solid blades when you need an extended edge, and the multi-pick adds versatility to your tool belt. You expect your tools to last, so OLFA backs our knives with a limited lifetime warranty. You've got work to do. It's time to upgrade your blade with OLFA.